Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome if you're new. Today I'm doing a Primark haul. Me and Elliot, my 3-year-old, went into town today. I picked up some stuff for me, picked up some stuff for him. I picked up this jacket, which was in the sale for, I'll have to check, it was £10. I think it was originally 15. I love this jacket, but it's so tight. I picked it up in a 4 because all the others were like 12s, 14s, and I have a pink one of these in a 10 and that's too big. So I was like, I'm going to chance it and I'm going to get it. Yeah, it was 17 down to 10, but the fit's nice here, it's just too tight under here. So I'm probably going to send it back because you just don't want to get that. It's nice length as well. You just don't want to get that tightness under here that causes you to give a smell. So yeah, really nice for £10 and it feels really nice. The colouring's lovely. It's got like a light pink going through. I'm just really gutted that they didn't have my size because the size 4 is way too small, but I was really kind of hopeful, but it's not really worked out. Next is this. This was £6. I got it in a size small. It's got a little pocket here, which is actually a pocket. Go Primark. Yeah, I've tucked it into my jeans because I think it looks better tucked in. If I pull it out, I lose my shape completely. So it kind of like drowns me in it. But I really like this. It's so comfortable. I love the stripes. It's probably coming up a bit crazy on there, but I like this for £6. It's comfortable. It's not under the armpits. I can't stand it when tops go under the armpits. So I love that looseness. And yeah, I think tucked in, it's nice. So for £6, that's a bargain, that is. They had other ones as well. I think they had red ones. I really liked the blue, so happy with that. I have this green jumper which I absolutely love. It was £6. I bought it in large because they look like the kind of jumpers that are gonna shrink. So I got it in large and I'm so glad that I did. The sleeves are nice, it's not baggy, it's giving me a nice bit of room here. It's comfortable, it fits underneath the skirt, which is £4. I got it in a size 8. This is, it's a knee length. It's a knee length. I just thought it went really nice together. Really cute. The jumper, let me pull that down. The jumper is a nice long length as well. So you could have it like that if you wanted, or you could have it in jeans, leggings, whatever you're comfortable with. I really like it with the skirt. So £10 for the set. It kind of looks like a dress once I've removed the tag. Let me do that because you're a keeper. So yeah, I mean it just looks like a nice sort of autumn dress, doesn't it, when you put it together like that. Really liking that. You could dress it up or you could dress it down, so really happy with this one. This bag was in the sale, it was £12. And it was reduced to £5, and sucker for a bag. I love bags. You've got the long strap if you want it long. Loads of room in there. A pocket, a few of those little slidey pockets on the side. Big zip across, so you can have it on your shoulder, or you can have it long. For me it's probably going to be like that because I don't like it keep banging off my hip, so I'll probably keep it like that. And for £5 I think that's brilliant, and I'm the kind of person that takes out so much stuff, it's ridiculous. Also picked up these little beauties. They are £10 I think, yeah, £10. I'm between a 5 and a 6, but these look quite big, so I went for a size 5, haven't tried them yet. They've got that gold, very thin bit of gold going round, nice buckle, stretchy bit there, zip on the inner, so easy to get your feet in and out, and they look really comfortable. They're slightly pointed, but not a lot. Do you know what I mean? It's not like they're not just going round and you've got that sort of, yeah. Anyway, but yeah, I thought, I'm always buying black. I've got asthma, I'm sorry, my chest is really wheezy. I'm always buying black to be safe, and I thought it was just making my wardrobe boring, so I went for that nice sort of brown autumny colour. Really liking those. I'm going to pick this bag up because I've got all sorts in here. Oh, I picked up 3 or 4 of these. I think I picked up 4. These are in the kids section, or the men's upstairs. Medium large. These are so warm and cosy. The kids section of woolly hats, when you put them open like that to put on the head, they become really holey, and it's like doesn't feel as warm. So I'm gonna make myself look so funny, but I'm actually gonna put one on. That's for my kids. This is not for me. I would not be going out the house like this. Although, mind you, if my hair was down, I would wear that. So I got 1, 2, they're £2 each. 3, or maybe I did just get 3. Oh yeah, because Sam won't wear one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another one. I picked up some gloves for me. I went for green and grey for a change because, again, I always buy black, and I thought, no, mix it up a little bit, Gabby. Picked up a top for my little Elliot. He is 3, so I got it in a 4 to 5 because they tend to come a bit smaller, and that's just really cute. Long sleeve, and that's only £1.80. I fell in love with the smell in there. I don't know if it's meant to be for men. No, it's not. Eau de Toilette, right? It's got a manly smell, and I love a manly smell. City Rise, £3.50 for 50ml. Yeah, it just smells lovely. Really nice. I love a manly smell. I got Flame, £1 nails. I haven't done my nails in ages because I've been feeling ill. So, and I also got Raspberry Crush for £1. Black hairbands for £1. I picked up these ones because I've got all these sort of mustard and rust coloured clothes going on. I thought, you know, I could mix it up a little bit. They're also £1. I've got Mulberry, which are nice. A lollipop, that didn't come from there. These, oh my goodness, I love these. This one especially for my Elliot, my little Elliot Smelliot, £1.30. He's just going to look so adorable in that. I also picked up this one. That was £1.30. So cute. Wanted for being awesome. He is. He's just so damn adorable, that boy. Right, I think we're on to some Elliot bits. Some shoes. These were £10. Look at them. We tried on quite a few, and these ones were the winners for him. He really likes these. They're really soft and comfy. They're not too thick when it's not so cold, but they're nice and padded for if it is. So they're just right for this time of year. Elliot some black joggers, £3. Comfy for him, especially at nursery. I don't really like sending him in jeans when he's painting, he's on the floor, he's playing. I want him to be comfortable, so I always get him joggers. These were £3. I got him some grey ones as well. Boom. And the last 2 things are the same. These, they're £1. Fingerless gloves. I actually quite like them, especially when you've had your nails done. Hands a little bit cold, but your nails are done, and you're like, I don't really want to hide my nails. So you've got your little nails going on at the end. But my boys, in particular Oscar and Alex, really like fingerless black gloves, so I'll probably be taking the grey, because they probably won't wear them. Because they like to be all Action Man, Call of Duty, so they love the fingerless gloves. Last time I bought them gloves with fingers, they cut them off. So for £1, they can pick and choose. And that was everything. I thought rather than showing you each item and then trying it on, I thought, why don't I just put it on as I'm going and save so many minutes of your life. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, then subscribe. I vlog, I do hauls, I do tips on things, anything. I've got quite a few different stuff coming up soon. Don't always look this rubbish. I'm full of a chest infection and I'm not well, but I wanted to share everything with you because no matter how ill you are, you can always shop. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.